Hi folks, this is Jake of Jake's Famous Foods, and today I'm bringing you a phenomenal product. This is our first dry rub. This is our tri-tip steak and rib rub. I created this product about 2002, 2003 on the focus of having a product that was not only versatile, but could be used on pretty much anything I wanted to use it on. I can use this on barbecue ribs, barbecue chicken, beef ribs, steaks, fish, you name it. I can use it on vegetables. It's really wonderful. There's wonderful salts, wonderful brown sugar for caramelizing. It's absolutely fantastic. The base of this recipe is parsley, garlic, salt, and pepper with a little tarragon oregano. And it's absolutely wonderful. The aroma on this is really something else. You get the really wonderful aroma of tarragon and oregano balanced by the brown sugar. And also the smoked hickory salt is fantastic. I often tell people, if you don't want your neighbors coming over, then you probably should not get this dry rub. But you go ahead and get it anyway because it's fantastic. This dry rub is available in 5-ounce sizes, 48-ounce sizes, also 5 pound and 10 pounds if you have a large family or a large gathering or competition barbecue. It's really fantastic. We're also doing a nice discount on our website, so this product is available at discount. If you go to our website and use code BARBECUE10, that will get you 10% off any and all of the products that are on our website. So get your hands on this tri-tip steak and rib rub today. Go to our website at jakesfamousfoods.com and get your hands on this today. Thank you so much.